What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. So right now we're gonna be heading over to AUTOHAUS because, well, it's just been a while since I've been over there, so I want to go see the guys. So they got some new stuff over there, and I want them to like take a look at the car and kind of like see how it rides. I have a list at least of all the stuff that, you know, we got on maintenance. Good thing that my homie actually like already had that list written out for me when I went to his house, so I got that on my phone. But I still want them to like drive it just in case, like, you know, there's anything else extra that I need to do before we start like adding stuff. I'm gonna head over there right now, but before I do that, let's give it a cold start, huh? Yeah, it definitely needs an exhaust. All right, let's head over there. See you guys in a bit. Here we go. What's up, Vic? Yeah.
What's that? Camera?
Yeah, man, vlogging, man.
Oh, cool.
You guys remember Vic, right?
Dude, I got a new vlog for you. You
Oh.
vlog on that new Nsx.
Yes, please.
It's here.
I just talked about that. So Vic just came up on an RSX. You guys seen his R8? You guys seen his tuned up Rari? So now this guy just went balls deep and won a freaking NSX, man.
Go
like,
green.
Congrats, man. My man Dick. What's up, player?
Congratulations.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. This guy.
Which one that?
Ready to be conquered.
You oh my God. I swear I feel like I'm in like Midnight Club or like Need for Speed, like when I come to the shop and I'm like, y'all just giving me game. And just a reminder, you guys, Timmy raps, not with lyrics, with vinyl. And he's really good, okay?
I'm lying.
He's all right. Hey man, don't be modest, all right?
I'm not.
It's really good, y'all. Look at this. I don't know whose car this is, but I'm showing it off. I apologize ahead of time. Man, this is actually really clean. All right, y'all. So, over here thinking about wraps for the G37. I've never heard of Avery. You think you like them better than Nsx?
Nsx finish is good.
Also, the finish is what you like from them. So I want to go with like a green for the car. If anything, I'd say, oh, I don't know. What kind of color you guys think would look good? I've seen a bunch of like white and red G37s. I've even seen like some like deep like midnight purple type of G37s. I just want to stray away from the norm, kind of. So put some ideas down in the comments. Help me out. And the NSX just pulled up? Is that the NSX? I think the NSX just pulled up. I'm excited to see this shit. All right, so finally they brought the NSX back, and we're gonna go and like see it in a better light, so we kind of give you guys a better look at it.
So we just got this new car we acquired. It's a 2017 Acura Nsx, which we're very excited to show you guys. It is by far a very underrated car. So let's go see what kind of attributes it brings to the table.
Yeah, his name's Randy, but right now he's my driver, so
When the remote controller keeps continuous with the battery LEDs blinking in sequence, it means the remote controller is ready to blink. Press the aircraft down for approximately 4 seconds.
He trying to figure out what's going on with that. I'm over here dancing. Rolling?
Yeah, I'm gonna put my car away. Put my car away. Let's get you over there.
Oh. It just went silent?
Yeah.
What? I can't even hear.
So we're gonna go to the gas station. So right now it is on quiet mode. There is 4 modes on this car. It's quiet, sport, sport plus, and track, which is my favorite.
So
right now we're in quiet mode.
Quiet mode, like it literally, you can't hear anything at all.
Oh, no. I'm gonna roll up the windows so you can probably just hear there.
It's literally complete silence. And I've heard these cars like with like an exhaust on them, like they could get pretty damn loud. So the fact that it's this quiet right now when you're in quiet mode, crazy.
So we're gonna put it in sport plus now, so you can see if we can hear it.
Wow.
That's sport plus. So quiet mode, powertrain, and all-wheel drive setting is set at 1, and then for sport plus,
Oh my god.
and then if you hold it down, it goes right into track mode. So now it's in track mode. Now it's in the really good mode. So we're gonna try to take off really quick on this mode.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh damn! Woo! The takeoff speed is crazy. Oh my gosh! You best believe that the takeoff speed in this is probably way faster than the Rari and the R8. Oh my gosh, this thing got huevos. Yo, this car, and you know what? The seats, I know I was saying how small it is in here, but if you're a good size, the seats really do hug the crap out of you, and it feels really good, like on this area of your back, like right here. Man, all right, we came to the gas station and get some
Petra.
Some shots for you guys. Oh, and it's so low. I'm already on the ground. I'm already on the ground. Oh my gosh. This car is amazing. Dude, it is so freaking fast. This car is super underrated, I can tell you that much. Just the power that it has when it takes off, and then it feels really smooth even when you're taking off or launching. Man, the aero in this too is super dope. You see this for the cooler right here, and then you go out here and the air escapes out here too. Damn. Okay, so really quickly, do these brakes not remind you of the 2022 Scion BRZ? I might just be me, but I'm pretty sure somewhat of that design idea is like mimicking the NSX, because you put them back to back, and I swear the brake lights look exactly the same. Oh, it even has a keyhole on the driver's side. Okay. The light green on the Brembos with the white. Ooh, my gosh. Okay, we got the Michelin Pilot Sport 4s, some Avance Garde, some Avant Garde wheels. Personally, I've never seen those wheels. It's just me, but I might get roasted for not knowing these wheels. But hey, I'm learning. And even the hood, like, just so crazy in here.
These wheels aren't what we want to keep on the car right now, so this is what we have right now at the moment. The wheels are going to get changed. We're going to go with some BBSs.
Oh, okay.
We have to.
Okay, first of all, they've been getting BBSs on like all their freaking shop cars, so I think that's kind of something that's super dope that they're mimicking that.
This is the front of the car, the front of the hood. This is where the 2 electric motors are powered by, I think it's I'm not too actually sure about the battery size.
Wow, why does it look so compact? Oh my god, take a look at that. Certified number 315. Oh, dude, this is so crazy. Look, you got all carbon fiber right here, all the carbon fiber covers. Pepperoni and bacon bit cauliflower pizza. Boys, you ain't had pizza unless you had cauliflower pizza. Trust me. What you got? Sausage? What you get, bro? Look at this guy's freaking monstrosity pizza. Like,
This shit fire.
that's like Overlord, like Supreme.
Man, I'm a little offended.
I'm not even supposed to be having pizza, yo. I'm lactose intolerant.
This is.
Alright, y'all, so clearly it's the next day. That's why you see me in different attire. I really wanted to go and give the car its first wash, where we, you know, take the Lexus to get its wash at. So we're about to head over there right now. I also wanted to try some of these products. This 303 all-purpose interior cleaner. I seen it on another person's channel, and it was like an auto detailing channel, and it is like super good. So I can't wait to try this out. I also got this odor eliminator to kind of like get out any type of, you know, personal scents, smoke, and anything. I've used this on the Lexus quite a bit, actually, whenever I felt like it just needed some more of a new car scent. So that is also really good. I had to wait for both of these on Amazon. I couldn't find this in the store. This you could definitely find in the store. We got our microfiber wipes, tire shine right there. So let's head out. Alright, y'all, so it's all washed up and dried, and I even wiped it down with the 303 already. And the 303 is cool, but I want to see if I could try some other stuff too. And it's okay though for, you know, me trying it out right now. Let me show you how to put this on the right way though. So I personally, I would lift this up, spray it all over the carpet. Spray a bunch all over the carpet. Put that thing down, get this little corner over here. Okay, get the back. Same thing on this side. I know it's probably a little dark, considering it's late, but you get the general idea. All right, so it smells so much freaking better now. One last thing, I have one last thing for today, and I was super excited to get the car so I could finally put this on. But check this out. Isn't that sick? Look at that. Dude, I've never ever seen anybody do this with stickers. Obviously, if you know me, you know I'm super freaking into anime. Jujutsu Kaisen has been like the #1 show on like Crunchyroll for like a couple weeks now. So super dope show. If you're into anime, I suggest you check it out. This main character right here, but who made these stickers is this girl named Choto Minute. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. I'm probably butchering it, but she actually did the other sticker on my Lexus, the Sasuke sticker. So I forgot to put her information on that video when I put that sticker on, so I'll make sure to put her information down in the description below. But super dope, right? I've never seen these type of freaking stickers, so let's go ahead and put it on. Alright, put it on. Dude, that's so sick. Oh my gosh, that sticker is so dope. Let me know if you guys like that sticker in the comments below, because I'm like wet off of that. Alright y'all, so I hope you guys liked the NSX content. Shout out to you guys at AUTOHAUS for always, you know, putting me in the car and letting me go for rides and stuff. Truly appreciate that. Like I said before, I want to get the maintenance up before we start actually adding stuff. So but there is a couple things that I can hit like right away, so I'm gonna do that while you know parts kind of come in and we kind of tackle all the things. So can't wait to see you guys in the next one. If this is you guys' first time to the channel, my name is Desmond Simmons. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you guys like what you see, and don't forget, it's all about longevity. Make sure you guys live long and prosper, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.